A very good morning to all of you, learning teachers, respected parents, and dear children. Today we are celebrating the birth anniversaries of two great historic and legendary leaders, Shri Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji and Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. As we all know, Gandhi ji is known as the father of the nation. He was born on 2nd of October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, the former Prime Minister of India, was born on 2nd of October in 1904. So on this auspicious occasion, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. On the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Gandhi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated the program of plogging run on 2nd of October 2019. As you know, the plogging involves jogging and picking up the litters while jogging. So the very basic idea behind plogging run is fitness and cleanliness in our surroundings. So let's inculcate the values of truth, non-violence and cleanliness in our children, as a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. And according to Gandhi ji, cleanliness is life. It is next to godliness. So to stay fit and healthy, it is very important to maintain cleanliness in our surroundings. So let's all these values be inculcated among all of us, among our children. And once again, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. Thank you. Thank you very much.
प्रिय अभिभावकों और मेरे परम आत्मीय छात्र छात्राओं, आज गांधी जयंती के शुभ अवसर पर हम लोग प्लॉग रन स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, स्वच्छता में ईश्वर का वास होता है। क्लीनलीनेस इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉडलीनेस। तो हमारा ये कर्तव्य होना चाहिए कि न सिर्फ आज के दिन बल्कि रोज़ की दिनचर्या में सफाई हमारा एक अंग होना चाहिए। हमारी आदत में स्वच्छता बस जाना चाहिए। इस अवसर पर मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, व्यस्त रहें और मस्त रहें।
Good morning to one and all. First of all, a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti to everyone. As you know that we are all celebrating Fit India movement. In that today we had plog run. Plog run means what? We are cleaning our environment while running. As you know that healthy mind will live in healthy body, and for that healthy mind your surroundings should be clean. You start your cleanliness at your home, automatically the whole country will be clean. So if everybody is doing their job perfectly and their individual job, if they are doing their own job, automatically our country will be clean and neat. Don't litter here and there. This is the land which feeds you, so take care of it. Keep it clean. Spread cleanliness. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.
Thank you.